Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set template resolution in HD in Tempo app. Tempo is a creative video editing app that allows users to create high quality short videos using ready-made template music sync and effects. Setting a template resolution to HD ensures better video quality and professional looking output when sharing on social media platforms. First, you need to open to your Tempo app and wait for the app to load until you reach the home screen over here. And from the screen, what you can do is on the bottom right there is your profile icon, and once you reach into this profile, again in the top right you can see there's a small setting icon. Tap on the setting, and over here you'll find a template resolution just below the template watermark. Select for the template resolution, and in the resolution you can find the HD 720, 180p and SD 480p. What you can choose is you can simply go for the full HD 180p, but if you have a Pro you can do it Ultra HD 4K in the top. You can select as per your preference price, and once selected you have confirmed it, and Tempo will now process your video in the HD quality and your high resolution video will be saved to your device. And that is it. This is how you can set the template resolution to HD in the Tempo app easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion please comment down below.